was best? The Home Railway 2013 Annie and Clarabel has been modified in 2013. Wouldn't look, and those coaches being taken away. Those coaches, they are compatible to a special need for engines to pull. They are pulled. Annie and Clarabel are girls. They are pulled by Thomas, Percy, Toby, Duck, and Stanley, Molly, and Neville. And if another engine takes it's sharing. Sharing is key. But us, in the new film Blue Mountain Mystery, they spoke again. They was given to Thomas after Thomas got his award for saving James. Annie and Clarabel stopped speaking in season 8 and spoke again in season 16 and Blue Mountain Mystery. Annie and Clarabel stopped there in Blue Mountain Mystery. As they told Thomas to slow down, and the signal was red, Thomas said, "I always slow down when I come to a red signal." Terence rescued Thomas, Annie and Clarabel from a snowdrift. And after all, Annie and Clarabel are all Thomas's girls and reliable. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and remember that every Friday, every weekend's a character weekend.